In Oasys file, begin a new data file by selecting Application button and clicking New. The Units dialog accessible by double-clicking the units in the gateway or via Global Data Units tab in the Home ribbon category helps to set the preferred units for data input and output. The different units for displacement, force, length, mass and stress can be input as per the choice of the user. Choose the analysis type via the Analysis Options dialog, whether capacity analysis or settlement analysis or both need to be calculated. Choose the effective stress profile, whether calculated or user-defined. Input for user-defined effective stress profiles is explained in the user manual. Choose the datum type, whether levels are entered as elevation or depth below ground level. Staged analysis multiple stage analysis can also be selected for pile analysis. Choose the method for capacity analysis via the Capacity Data button. There are three methods for calculation of capacity: with the working load method, the design resistance method, and the code-based method. In working load method and design resistance, the user can input partial or global factors of safety and can use it for the capacity calculations. In code-based method, the factors of safety are built in and cannot be user-defined. Currently, we have three built-in codes in Oasys file. They are the Eurocode 7 with no national annex, the Eurocode 7 with the UK national annex, and the Indian code of IS 2911. Select the Settlement Analysis methods through the Settlement Data tab. You can either choose the Mindlin method or the TZ method for calculation of settlement. Also input the different parameters like Young's modulus of soil above and below the toe level of the pile, the rigid boundary level where hard strata is expected to be encountered, the Poisson's ratio, and the number of increments as well as number of pile elements. In calculation method, if TZ method is selected, you can input the user can specify which relevant curve should be selected for use in pile shaft and pile base respectively. A particular type of TZ or tip load curve can be input by double-clicking the appropriate type under the TZ curve data or the tip load curve data on the gateway or on the Material Properties tab of the Home ribbon. In the TZ curve data, we have elastic plastic curves, the chin and polos curves, the logarithmic curves, and other curves as well. There is an option for user-defined data as well.